Need to share your SSD or hard drive health information with someone? CrystalDiskInfo makes it easy to capture the drive details as an image or copy the information as text. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a useful CrystalDiskInfo Health Report and save the information for later. First, open CrystalDiskInfo and select the drive you want to report on. If your computer has multiple SSDs or hard drives, check the drive selector at the top and choose the correct one. Then review the basic information, including the model, capacity, health status, temperature, and power on information. Before exporting anything, check the health status indicator. CrystalDiskInfo uses good, caution, bad, and unknown statuses. A normal drive generally shows good, while caution or bad means you should investigate the drive and protect important data before doing anything intensive. Now let's create a text report. From the top menu, open Edit and select Copy. CrystalDiskInfo copies the available drive information to the Windows clipboard. You can then open Notepad, Word, or another text editor and paste the information there. The copied report can contain details such as the controller map, disk list, model name, capacity, interface, firmware, and S.M.A.R.T information. You can review the text before saving or sending it. And this is especially useful when asking technical support for help. Once you've pasted the information into your text editor, save the document. Give it a descriptive name, such as CrystalDiskInfo Health Report, followed by the drive name or date. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your Documents folder. You can also save a visual copy of the CrystalDiskInfo window. The application supports saving its displayed information as an image, including formats such as PNG, JPEG, and BMP. A screenshot or saved image can be useful when you want someone to quickly see the health status and drive details. Now you can keep the report for your records or share it with a technician, manufacturer, or support team. If the drive shows caution or bad, back up important files first. The report is useful for diagnosis, but it shouldn't replace a proper backup, and that's how to export and save your CrystalDiskInfo health information. With both a text report and a visual copy, you'll have the key drive details ready whenever you need them.